guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Liz Rose. I do makeup tutorials and stuff like that on this channel, so if that's something you are interested in, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed it. Today I have a really minimalistic holiday summer look, like an everyday holiday look. I'm not really sure what I'm going to call it yet, but it is day 4 of my holiday series. If you don't know already, if you're not subscribed, then subscribe. I'm doing a holiday series because I am going to be on holiday when these are going to be up. But I can't wait to go on holiday. I'm going to Turkey with my boyfriend, and yeah, I can't wait. So if you want to see how I create this minimalistic everyday summer holiday look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I look like about 12. I've tried really hard to make effort with my hair. I've slicked it back. I've, got it really curly because that's my natural hair. I need to dye my eyebrows, which I do advise when you go on holiday to dye your eyebrows because you'll end up looking like an alien like me with no hair. I love having blonde, natural eyebrows. But anyway, today is not about eyebrows, it is about skin and a simple, minimalistic, daytime holiday look. This is my go-to, what I do on holiday when I can be bothered to put makeup on my face, pretty much. Okay, so this is going to be the most simplest makeup look that you have ever seen on my channel, but if you don't know already, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. If you don't know already, I am doing a holiday series which involves more toned down looks and more like vlogging style, so if that's something you're interested in, then like I said. So the first thing I'm going to do is use the MAC strobe cream. Of course I've moisturised, I've used my normal daily skincare routine which I said in a recent video. Also I will link the episodes that I've done already in my holiday series in the eye up there and also in the description box, so check that out. This is day 4 of my series so far. There is loads more to come and I haven't even gone on holiday yet, but by the time this video is up I will be on holiday already, trying to get some holiday vlogging going. So I'm going to apply this. This is the gold light, which has quite a... it has like a gold undertone to it. They do have a pink one, but I just prefer a goldy tone. Obviously if you have a more pink undertone to your skin, then the pink one would be nice. Like I said, this is going to be the most simplistic makeup look that you have ever seen on this channel. It might be about 5 minutes long, but that's good. We don't want anything dramatic for the day on holiday, because who has time and the effort to put a full face on holiday, do you know what I mean? I am blessed with nice-ish skin. I don't have any acne or I don't get many breakouts unless I've used a product, which hates me. But this just gives my skin a nice glow. If you are... I look like a Tin Man right now. It will die down in a second. If you are oily skin, then I don't recommend doing this all over your face like I have. Maybe just doing it in the high points of your face, so your brow bone, your cheekbone, your nose, stuff like that. But I love it. I think it looks great. So we are only going to be using concealer today, so yeah, if you feel more comfortable using foundation, obviously you do you, boo, you know. But today I'm going to be using the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer in the shade Light. I have gone for a more lightweight concealer just because I don't like anything heavy, I don't like sweating makeup off, and especially on holiday I just can't be asked for that, do you know what I mean? So this is nice and lightweight, and it's similar to my skin tone as well, which is good. So I'm just going to apply this where I think I need it, so like spot concealing. So of course I'm going to put that under my eyes. This smells really holiday-esque as well because it's got like coconut smell on it. Just gonna apply it there. I'm gonna apply it to my nose. I have a few spots on my forehead. I'm gonna apply it on my chin. So yeah, I'm pretty much just spot concealing where I think I need it. And I'm going to blend that out with a sponge, just because I feel like a sponge gives you, one, less coverage, and I think it helps it blend into the skin better. It doesn't just sit on the skin, which is good. But again, if you prefer a more fuller coverage, I suggest using a BB cream. The It Cosmetics BB cream is great. It has good coverage for a BB cream. Or maybe just your normal foundation, you know. It's completely up to you at the end of the day. I'm going to conceal around my nose area because it's quite red. Okay, so to continue, oh my god, I can't speak. So to continue on with the cream products, I'm going to take the Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick in the shade Light, and I'm just going to use the contour shade and contour my face. This is quite a warm tone contour stick, so just be wary of that. Just going to contour where I would normally contour, like so. Don't need too much. Then I'm just going to take my sponge and blend this out. Okay, so now I'm going to set the concealer because we are looking a little bit shiny still. Or do I do... I'm going to do a cream highlight. I nearly forgot about this. This is the Revolution Liquid Highlighter in Liquid Champagne. Really, really nice dupe for the, what are they called? Cover FX ones. So I'm just going to put a few drops of this on the back of my hand. And I'm going to put my sponge in there and just press this on the high points of my face. I'm doing a highlight with my sponge because I feel like it blends into my skin a lot nicer than using a brush like so. I'm going to tone down the shine with some powder. Next I'm just going to take a little bit of the RCMA No Colour Powder where I need it. So pretty much just under my eyes and on my T-zone, just to make sure I lock in any unnecessary shine, trying to avoid the area that we highlighted. Just put a little bit of oil on my lips. It's just the L'Oreal Tinted Lip Oil in Jelly Peach. Oh my god, it smells and tastes amazing. Okay, so next I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Dark. This is just going to give me a little bit more colour to my face and set where we put the bronzer. And I'm only putting a tiny bit, again just to set where we place that bronzer. Just going to set my face a bit. I'm using the Skindinavia, the Makeup Finishing Spray. Really like this. It locks the makeup in for so long. I'm actually not going to apply any powder highlighter. I think we look glowing to the gods already. So I'm just going to use the normal brow products that I normally use. I do have quite a heavy brow routine for like every day in general. I use the Revolution Pro Pomade in medium brown, and then I go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is just a mini size. I'm going to do it on camera this time. I'm going to try and go light-handed with it. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows and literally all we have left is eyes, and all I'm going to be doing for eyes is curling my eyelashes and applying mascara. So I always curl my eyelashes because my eyelashes are just non-existent. That's why I pretty much always wear false eyelashes. I really wanted to get some false semi-permanent eyelashes for holiday, but I was way too late in booking and pretty much everyone near me just was too full, like busy, they just can't fit me in. And it seems it's only like a week away. I wanted to get them done at least like 2 to 3 days before I go on holiday, or like even the day of, because I'm not flying until like the afternoon. But it's fine, I will stick to my normal lashes and falsies. So I'm just going to do this. The mascara I'm going to use the mascara I'm going to use is the Mascara by Revolution. It's just the black one. I'm using this because it is quite a thick wand and I want my eyelashes to be noticeable. Like I said, my eyelashes are not amazing, they are nothing special, but I envy the people who can wear false eyelashes in everyday life and in the heat, because I cannot. Okay, so then for lips, I'm just going to apply some NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. This is just to add a little bit of shine to my lips and a little hint of colour. There we have it, my everyday summer slash holiday everyday minimalistic makeup look. So like I said, it's going to be about 5 minutes of your time, and this video is going to be the shortest, most simplest makeup look I've ever done on my channel probably, or at least recently. I'm loving the glow, I'm loving the simplicity, and I can't wait to rock this on holiday. This is more of a look where I'm going into the local town for the day, or if I'm going to take lots of like photos or something, so that is what I would wear it for. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos, or especially my holiday series. Again, I will link the ones I've done already and link them up there as well. That is it. So I really hope you enjoyed. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.